meron ding short term. And we always reward ourselves din para hindi tayo napapagod. Kasi ang tao daw, kahit anong positive mo, may tendency rin to have negative emotions eh. So maganda raw talaga na may reward. Ang maganda dito, yung mga rewards, nakalatag na po. Diba? So if you become a star, we have Star Academy. And then if you become a star creator, may Star Creator Trip. And of course, yung Star Challenge. Tapos later on, actually, may maganda pang announcement yung corporate about the Star Academy, yung ballet trip. As in, you will be amazed later pag nasa namin. Hindi na lang Ruby yung pwedeng pumunta eh. Tapos ito yung ginawa ni Andy. Pinicture na lang po namin na. Ang ginawa lang daw talaga niya, massive action. So, akala ko dati pag naririnig ko siya parang wala lang, parang dadaan lang sa ano. Pero talagang massive action can really change our lives, can change our business. Ibang klase yung growth na mabibigyan niya sa atin. So, ayun, he was always in recruiting mode. Kahit nung Ruby na siya, nung Emerald, Diamond, even nung Blue Diamond siya, kung ano yung energy niya before, yung parang yung energy na. Kasi he wants to show his partners na it's really, really possible. And next, hindi siya nag-procrastinate, hindi siya nagpo-postpone. Bawa, kakausapin ko to for wise fund, bukas na lang, ngayon, ganyan. Hindi, kung kaya niyang gawin, ginagawa niya na talaga. And he's consistent. Disiplinado siya. Kasi dito wala tayong boss eh. So talagang siya yung nag-drive sa sarili niya. Kasi kung may gusto siya sa buhay, siya lang yung magsasabi kung paano niya ma-achieve, di ba? Yan. He always do more than what is expected. Kasi tama po ba, for those who are working, kung gusto natin ma-promote, yan yung ginagawa natin para matuwa yung mga boss. So why not para matuwa yung sarili natin, para matuwa yung sa goals natin, gawin din natin for our own business, di ba? And sabi niya, compete but do not compare. Meron siyang magandang story about this later eh. So why massive action? Massive action because when we do it, when the partners na nakita nila na ganun ginagawa natin, sabi niya, yun daw yung kinokopy ng partners 50%. Pero anything na ginagawa natin na hindi maganda, na nakokopy ng partners natin 200%. Totoo naman, kasi ang mga tao parang nakawire na ang mas nakikita yung pwedeng mapuna, di ba? Tapos parang, siya pala ginagawa din, ako na rin. Kasi mas komportable yung mali minsan, di ba? And we should lead by example. Kung gusto daw natin maging star, dapat ang iniisip na agad natin how to help our partners become stars as well. B pa lang tayo, pero iniisip natin how to duplicate. If we want to duplicate, ang iniisip natin agad, how to help our partners also duplicate and multiply. Ganun siya. Kumbaga lagi tayong one step ahead. Ayan. So it's not about trying to copy what others can do, but doing the best you can. Ito yung story. Ito yung actually. Alam natin to, di ba? Yung kwento nung pagong at saka nung rabbit. Di ba? Alam na natin yan. It's very, classic na talaga siya. So, ang nagustuhan ko lang po dito, kaya tumatak sa akin, kasi si Rabbit, siya siguro yung nagre-represent sa mga tao na sobrang galing. Na kahit anong ibigay mo, sobrang ma-achieve nila. Tama po ba, di ba? Kasi ang bilis na eh. And then si Pagong, siya yung mabagal. Pero ang difference daw, si Pagong, very focused, very consistent. He doesn't stop. Diba? So, it doesn't matter kung ikaw yung pinakamagaling, pinaka-talented, pinakamabalis, as long as you don't stop. Kasi kung magaling ka nga, pero nagpo-procrastinate ka, nagpo-postpone ka, mauunahan ka pa rin ng Pagong. Ganun siya. So, sobrang tumatak siya sa akin. And gusto ko rin yung huling sinabi niya, don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done. Kasi minsan sinasabi natin, ay okay na to, karapat ako na magpahinga, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi pa tapos yung goals mo, di ba? Andiyan yung parents mo, andiyan pa yung kids mo. So, yun nga, don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done. Pero it doesn't mean na hindi ka na matutulog, di ba? You know what I mean.
Saka nakakatuwa kasi kay Andy, parang I think among all the speakers, sa kanya kami talaga nakarelate. Kasi he's only 31 years old, pero he has achieved so much for his family and for his own goals and dreams. No? So, imagine for a 31-year-old achieving all these, di ba? Nakakatuwa. So, kayang-kaya natin, di ba? So,
isa pa sa mga tumatak, si Sarucha Dolporipat. Okay. Si Sarucha Dolporipat, isa siyang Thai. Siya nag-talk about set goals. Ayan. Siya, 2-year team elite and 4-star creator nung last Japan trip. Dati siya nagbebenta ng orange. Para doon sa mga pumunta doon sa Bali, di ba? Dati siya nagbebenta ng orange. Pero ngayon, grabe, ibang klase na yung buhay niya. Talagang nag-set lang siya ng goals. Imagine if someone na nagbebenta ng orange sa kung saan-saan, ngayon ganyan na yung buhay niya. What more tayo, di ba?
Tsaka talaga, she started with, kasi pinakita niya sa presentation niya how she started. No? She just started with a clear action system kasi talaga ang problema niya yung sa skin niya. Tapos, she started sharing the products lang, tapos parang feeling niya, ang daming na niyang nabibless in terms of how to help them in terms of skin health, no? Tapos yun na, nag-boom na yung business niya. Tapos, at the age of 26, she was able to build her own house, diba? Tapos, last person talaga na na-inspire kami, si Miss Sereno. She's a $1 million Circle member, 1-year Team Elite Platinum, 2-year Team Elite, 1-Star Creator Japan, and a Star Challenge Qualifier. So, kaya kami na-inspire sa kanya kasi nagsimula talaga siya as a very, very simple woman. She just met with a friend na nag-introduce sa kanya sa business. Tapos, ang ginawa niya, tinuloy lang niya yung business for the longest time. Now, she's a $1 million Circle member. She owns a boutique and she's also a cosmetic agent and at the same time, a franchise business owner. Kaya kami na-inspire sa kanya kasi napakasimple lang niya. Kung titingnan mo siya talaga, very motherly siya. Pero alam mo, ngayon, she's still doing the business. Tapos, ang dami pa niyang nakikreate na mga stars. Ang storya niya kasi, yung husband niya nagkaroon ng cancer. So, kahit may cancer na yung asawa niya, ayaw pa rin niya mag-take ng Pharmanex supplements, ng Pharmanex products. Pero syempre, di ba yun yung business niya? As much as possible, gusto niya i-share. Pero napaka-skeptic ng asawa niya. Ngayon, nag-stand up siya dun sa husband niya, you know what? This is the only chance that you should take Pharmanex supplements. You should take this leap now or else you're just gonna get worse. Tapos sinunod na siya ng asawa niya. Tapos, gumaling siya from his cancer. Ang galing, di ba? So, ang sinabi lang niya talaga, never ever quit. When you say never ever quit on the people that you love. Kasi yung asawa niya, mahal na mahal niya yun, di ba? Siya yung gumagawa ng business, pero yung asawa niya hindi naniniwala. Pero never siyang nag-quit sa husband niya na ipatake sa kanya yung mga Pharmanex supplements para makatulong sa health niya. Tapos, ito yung pinaka-point niya, no? Just believe 100% sa company, of course. Kasi ang sinasabi ni Sri, katulad ng sinasabi rin natin sa mga BOM, di ba? We have a very, very good vehicle. All you have to be is the best driver that you can be para you get to your goals. At the same time, you believe in the products 100%. Kasi if you yourself do not believe in the product, how can you share this to people that you know, to your friends and to your relatives? And of course, believe in yourself kasi every single doubt that you have in you, that can really affect you in so many ways. Tapos, lahat to, pag kinumbine mo 100%, you'll be very, very successful. Just believe. Tapos, may itong illustration na to, pinakita niya to nung Star Academy. Sabi niya, you know what, in our business, you'll be one person different from the others because you're the only one doing it among your friends and family na kilala mo. Pero, at least you have the courage, no? Para i-take yung other path to become successful. Kasi, may tawag pala dito parang hetero something activity. Itong parang going to that side, no? A lot of people going to the other side, pero you being different, pero you know what? Being different can also lead you to success. So, meron siyang slide na pinakita nung Star Academy. Medyo nahirapan ako siyang i-comprehend noong una kasi sabi dito sa slide, if you think you can but fail, better than you think you cannot and proven you are right. So medyo magulo siya, no? Pero kung uulit-ulitin mo, tapos itatranslate mo siya, ito pala yung ibig sabihin niya. If you think you can but fail, is better than you think you cannot and never ever try. Diba? So kahit iba yung language na ginamit, medyo may maling mga grammar for us, pero kung iintindihin mo siya talaga, napakalinaw ng mensahe niya. At least we try and get to that goal. Just take the courage and take the leap. Yan, just believe. Tapos, alam naman natin ngayon that a lot of us are qualifying for Europe. Are you excited for Europe, guys? So, we're going to 3 countries like Great Britain, Belgium, and France. Tapos, pero, alam natin tapos na yung, mayroon pa tayo hanggang December to qualify, pero if we're gonna qualify for the next trip, no, nakakatuwa kasi next year, they will be launching a lot of trips for us. Una yung Punta Fuego, the corporate, no,
Yung Punta Fuego po, ito na yung kapalit nung, share lang namin para ma-excite tayo lahat. Kasi nung nakita namin siya, nung mga past star camps po sa Subic, ano lang siya, overnight. Pero yung darating na March na super camp na siya, it's better than star camp. Sa Punta Fuego na siya, 3 days, 2 nights. So yung kinukwento po namin sa inyo star camp na sobrang pampered, kayo kinukwento po ni Jen kanina, ito times, ano siya, 200% more. Kasi 3 days, 2 nights na eh. Tapos yung qualification niya, sobrang dali lang. Pwede nyo pitanong sa AMs nyo and sa applies nyo. Ayun, sobrang dali lang yan. Ano lang to eh, parang additional reward. Kasi syempre, pag nag-perform ka naman, yung income naman nun sa'yo naman and sa partners mo, di ba? So parang, ito bonus na lang. Di ba? Tapos, yung pangalawa,
yung Singapore Convention, no, annual naman to nangyayari. So it's gonna happen July 2016. Tapos, they're also announcing a mega destination for the next incentive trip. Sabi sa amin, you wanna know where you're going? Sabi namin, yes! Tapos, just go to the convention on November. So, nakaka-excite lang lalo. Gusto namin malaman kung saan. Pero nakakatuwa, in-announce sila kung saan gaganapin yung new Star Academy. No? Dito siya sa Macau in September 2016. So, ang maganda pa lalo, meron silang ni-release na qualification. Excited kayo to know? Actually, kami na-excited din kami sobra. Kasi, ito yung in-announce nila.